Hello, welcome to the PreKey YouTube channel. So on here we're going to post everything you need if you're one of our property managers or a tenant and you want to know how to use the system. So there's plenty of things like how you go about adding a property and then marketing it on Rightmove, how you go about booking in a viewing for tenants, and equally if you are a tenant and you want to know how you go about booking a viewing or asking a question of a property manager through PreKey, you can find all the answers on here. As we update the software and release new versions, we'll also post additional videos on here to keep you up to date. So we do recommend subscribing so you get those email alerts as soon as a new video is added. If you think there's anything that we've missed, you can just drop us an email to support@prekey.co.uk and we'll get back to you as soon as possible with an answer. So do have a look through. We really hope it helps and keep in touch. Many thanks.